Hi, and welcome back to Be Creative Stamping. I have another Halloween treat for you. This one is using the petal cone die, so I'm going to teach you how to make this petal cone and this lolly, and then we're going to put a stamped image on the front. So the first thing you're going to need is your petal cone die for your Big Shot. And I'm using designer paper, and this is our Halloween paper that's in the idea book and catalog. I want this particular design to show, so I'm going to lay it down onto my petal cone die, and then I need two of these, and I decided to do these in Lucky Limeade. So you would layer your paper on here and roll it through your Big Shot, and then this is what you would have. So I've already put sticky strip onto the flap, so I'm just going to peel this off. And I'm going to tuck it in, and I'm going to make sure it's sealed, and then I'm going to fold these flaps down, okay? Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put our Lucky Limeade pieces on, because I don't want the ghost side to show. So I just tape these right here. Let's see, I'll put my adhesive here. And again, I'm going to put that just like that. All right, now the next thing we're going to use is a 1" by 12" piece of designer paper. And what I've done with this is I've scored every 1/4 inch, and I used my new Simply Scored tool to do that. So as you can see, everything is scored at a 1/4 inch. And then I'm going to be folding this up, which I've already done before the video, just so it would be a bit faster. All right, here we go. And then on the very end, I've already put a piece of sticky strip, and I'm going to pull this sticky strip off. It's hard to see because it's the same color as the designer paper. I'm also going to take this circle, and I've already attached some sticky strip to this, and I am going to fan this out. I'm just going to kind of lay it on top of this circle. I'm fanning it out, and now I'm squeezing it. And here we go. We got our lolly. All right. So the next thing I'll do with that is I am going to just adhere it with snail, and I'm going to stick it here. So now I have this part done. I think I'll tuck a piece of adhesive right here so that this will lay flat. All right, and I've already taken time to do my stamping. So this is the spider web, and it's stamped in basic gray. I stamped off, and then I stamped onto the Whisper White paper. Have a Wicked Halloween sentiment is done in Cajun Craze. And then, of course, I had to stamp some witch's boots and color her socks in Cajun Craze and Lucky Limeade. So I'm going to attach it to the top of this lolly so you can't see the center of it. And now I have created a little Halloween treat with the petal cone die. I hope you like it, and I hope you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for buzzing by.